Good morning. Another day, another day, another day. I just got done changing and we are leaving in a bit for breakfast. Ian is still in the bathroom and I'm right here chilling in the porch area. I love it. Let me show you. I'll vlog later because I'm afraid I might drop this camera. See you later. Hello. So, we are here at the Seawall in Weston restaurant. So, for breakfast. And, yeah, just don't mind me. Don't mind me.
Hello everyone.
This is so uncomfortable. Someone's watching the vlog. Anyways, so we're here and we are going to eat breakfast before we head out. And we'll show you guys around later for more adventure.
I'm only one step ahead of one step ahead of misery. One step is all I have to take. To be the same old fool for you I used to be. One step ahead of one step ahead of misery. One step is all I have to take.
Hallelujah, it's raining.
We are at Queen Elizabeth Park and we're just waiting for our squad to get ready. I don't know if you can see them. Where are they?
They're still getting their stuff.
Anywho, we'll show you guys around.
So it's so wrong timing we're here because the thing is closed. My wife, she wanna vlog.
Hello! It's cold! Nice view. This place though reminds me of the time when we went to Spokane. I don't know if we'll link the video down below. And let's bring in some memories from last year! Alright, so we're here in this Blodell Conservatory. We came at the wrong time. Right now it's 9 o'clock, but it doesn't open till 10 because it's the weekend. Anyway, it's fine. We are just going to chill out here. And ooh, you can see the whole city on this side. It's drizzling.
It's too cold. It's really cold.
We're here at Goldilocks, Canada. Oh. Hi. That's good. Pork polka.
I got some pulveron and achara. Yet, I'm so tempted to order the lumpia, fresh lumpia.
Go get if you like.
Yeah, but you don't eat because you're picky.
Thank you. Some polvoron and ensaymada and hopia and achara and
I'm excited
etc.
for the achara.
I don't really eat achara.
I like achara. It's good if you have like the fried foods. You partner it with
Oh
fried
yeah,
foods.
it's like a salad or
yeah.
gloves on.
at the duty-free store. So this duty-free store is located right before the border. And quick facts: number one, they don't charge tax. Second, when you buy something, they get your license plate number to put in the system. I don't know, maybe for security reasons. So let's shop. Wow, Oreo. Cool.
Oreo.
Okay, I need you guys to compare. Chocolate. Since I got two, it's $55.99 Canadian dollar, but for US dollar it's only $44.45. You can't find this in the United States.
For real? I don't think so.
Yes, no, there's no such thing in the United States. I can't find it. I've been looking
How about online? Amazon?
up, down, all around.
Amazon?
No.
Oh yeah? How about Ross or Target?
There you go. So we're already in the border.
I think they're leaving for President's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beginning.
Oh my god, that line
The
is
line is
long.
crazy. We are heading back to the United States of A. Alright, update. We are 4 more cars away and it's our turn. We're ready. We stopped eating. We put away all our crap. So the immigration officer won't have any issues.
I hope so.
So we just got done at the border and now we are at Washington. Hi! So we just got home and the time right now is 5:19. We got home about, not really just now, about what, 15-20 minutes ago. And we're now here back in our home, away from home. So that was it. That was the wrap of our Vancouver getaway. So far it has been, so the total experience of that Vancouver, Canada getaway, the best. We love it. I love it. Like, I get to experience going in the gondola. That's my first time. I've never have done that in my entire life. I can't imagine how did they build it or they engineered it. Like, you know, it was all the way up to the mountain and it was snowing there. So it was the best. And just going around Vancouver. We also went to Whistler. Nice, very nice place. And that's one thing that I've really looked forward moving to the mainland, because we had the opportunity to, you know, you get to travel to places on your days off. Like, unlike when we used to live in Hawaii, we have to, all the time we have to take an airplane to go to another place. We'll have more adventures soon. And I think that's it. I don't know, let's ask Ian about his experience. How about you?
It was good. It was adventurous. My first time in Canada. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment this video on our channel. Mabuhay and aloha.
Alright, so we're gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching to our videos. And we hope to see you guys on our next vlog. Bye! Aloha!